welcome back to my channel. This is Adhay and I hope you are doing well. Today's episode is all about bougie makeup. That means high-end, luxury, classy, soft, elegant. Okay, stop. For all my bougie people out there, if you are interested in this episode of Bougie, keep on watching. And if you're not, just exit out. Bye. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself. Don't be a negative person. Hopefully I get good lighting because the sun is going down. I'm going to use my high-end products, and by no means I mean to show off or anything like that. This is just makeup that I've gathered along the way. All right, so I already did my eyebrows off camera using my NARS concealer. For that, I'm just going to grab a little and set it as a base. Now the reason I'm using a concealer for the base as opposed to eye primer is because I won't be doing heavy makeup, intense eyeshadow. That's why I'm using my concealer as the base. I'm gonna set it with my Chanel translucent powder number 2. So this is a quick little get ready with me skincare routine slash bougie makeup. Now let's go to skincare. Let's start off with, I'm going to moisturize my face using the La Mer moisturizer, and this one is soft cream. Oh, it smells so good. Next is my eye cream. Now this is the first time I will try out this eye cream from La Mer. And grab my concealer brush again. This one is, I don't know how to pronounce that name. I'm gonna put it right there and right there. Okay, blend it around. I should have done this last. Whatever, it's done, it's whatever. And grab a transition color from there. Sandalwood. Okay. Put it all over my lid. I mean my crease. From my Lorac palette, I'm gonna grab, let me see which one. I think it's a combination of these two. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my ring finger, mix them together, and apply on the center. I'm just gonna deepen my crease right here. So just on the crease to deepen. For my bougie edition, I was gonna use my all-time favorite Giorgio Armani Luminous Wear foundation, but I've been in the pool, so I'm pretty tan, more tan than usual. So this shade is going to be a bit too light for me as of now. My Hourglass foundation, it's not so bougie edition, but it's still bougie because it's still pricey. That's what we're gonna use. The shade is darker. It's my darker foundation, I would say. Go over, see? There you go. Go ahead. Got a little sun-kissed, and I'm loving it. For my concealer, I'm going to use a Dior concealer. The Dior Skin Forever Undercover. in the shade 040, and it's waterproof. Okay, so it is a little darker than I expected. I'm going to mix it with my NARS. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow, it looks so nice. Like, even though it's basically right now my shade, it looks so pretty. I'm just gonna add a tad bit of my NARS right there, right here. The NARS concealer is just a tad bit too light for my personal preference. So mixing those together, I feel will be nice. Okay, now for the contour. Contouring. It's not a harsh contour or too dark. It is just perhaps, I think, like 2 shades or a shade. No, I think 2 shades darker. So now, just blending it together. You see, OMG, the blend. Like, every single time that I use this, the blend is just amazing. Let's set everything using my Chanel translucent powder. Using my Dior brush, and this one is the powder brush number 14. Okay, it's so heavy, it feels expensive. That, and set my whole face. Powders, I got the bronzing powder in Terra. At first it looked extremely light for me, but it's buildable. So here it is. Ooh. And what I like about this bronzer, I wanted to get the other one, but they didn't have the other one. This bronzer has a cool undertone, therefore you could use it as a contour. So that's why I got it. Okay, I had to get my contour brush as well. So I went to Chanel because they have one that I really liked. My Chanel brush. Pigment, where are you, pigment? Oh, there you go. There you go. So this is the type of bronzer for right now I'm using it as a contour, that you are going to build it little by little. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. OMG. It's flawless. You see the difference? What I like about it is that it doesn't have a lot of fallout, so it keeps everything nice and neat. I'm impressed. Like, I kept seeing reviews about it, videos, and I was like, what's the hype? Like, oh my gosh. But now I get exactly what they mean. Is the buildability of it is not like it's harsh line. It is very subtle, yet there. It is absolutely amazing. Okay, so this highlighter is very subtle, and if you guys don't know by now, when it comes to highlighters, I like my highlighters pretty subtle, where there's no glitter involved. It's just a very, you could say, soft highlight. It's good. Same reason why I like my Dior highlighter, Morphe M505, I mean 09. And I'm gonna go ahead with the first one, and the first one doesn't have a name. No. So I'm just like, it's the gold one. And when I swatched these, they were so pretty. Look at that. I don't know if you guys could see. It's so pretty. It is nice. You guys. I went ahead and straightened my hair to sum up this whole look. And now we're gonna put lashes. Now, one of my favorite lashes is Nubounsom Australian Mist. They're literally a mist. That looks so beautiful. The lashes are on. Now let's continue with the lips. With the lips, I went ahead and got myself the Chanel Lippy, and the shade is a liquid matte liquid lip color, and it's in the shade 176. Is not a nude, but also not a very bold lip, and I like that. Look, the color is so beautiful. And even though it's a matte, it is something that you could handle. It doesn't feel too drying. It also seems, I'm not sure if it's gonna mattify down, but it has a little bit of a gloss. To finish up the look, I'm gonna spray some Hydra Beauty Essence Mist from Chanel. And it smells like $1,000,000, literally. This is the end result of your bougie makeup. All the high-end products used together in this season of Keeping Up with Adhay's Bougie Ace. No, I'm just kidding. Enjoyed it, liked it, found it useful, found it entertaining, whatever it may be. I hope you just overall liked it. And if you didn't, too bad. I'm sorry. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Bye. I just went ahead and stole these bags just for the purpose of being bougie. But I'm gonna go right now and return it to their owner. And thank you guys for being my special guest here, but I no longer need you.